Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: an active Jio unlimited 5G plan and a 5G-capable handset. Once done, insert or enable the Jio SIM and reboot the phone to ensure network provisioning. Make sure your network mode is set to allow 5G in settings and verify APN is Jio's default. If not, input APN manually. While you do this, watch for provisioning SMS from Jio. This confirms your plan is live and 5G registration is allowed on your device. Now configure and optimize. You should set preferred network to 5G/4G auto so the phone switches seamlessly. Disabling aggressive data saver helps apps run on background data. Make sure carrier updates are installed and VO LTE or VO NR is enabled so voice calls work over the modern network. Open My Jio to verify unlimited allowance or any fair use thresholds, apply add-ons if needed, and restart apps that need high bandwidth. These steps reduce interruptions and maximize actual usable throughput. Finish by validating service. Run a speed test in a clear spot to confirm 5G throughput and latency gains. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode, reboot, reinsert the SIM, and check for carrier updates. If unresolved, contact Jio support for provisioning. Make sure to monitor battery and device temperature since 5G can increase power draw, and when sharing unlimited data via hotspot, watch for fair use limits. One troubleshooting tip: if inconsistent, switch to 4G briefly, then back to 5G to re-establish a fresh registration.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.